Let's go, boys.
Are we just gonna like pull it?
I guess.
Wait, let me like yank off these stairs. Let's get on here. I'll get on here. I'll get on this side, you get on that side. Let's just pull up. Okay, now go underneath. And like
Alright, then twist it. You idiot!
no, then go into the shack. Oh yeah.
Twist it the opposite way.
What if it comes down towards us?
It's bad. That is scary.
Yeah. Wait, let's get like a rope, the dirt bike.
Yeah.
Let's cut like.
Here, go. Do you know?
Wait, I'm gonna cut like halfway into these.
Alright, go get a new battery and then I'll
You
set
go
up
get
the
a new
rope.
Ah! That's all sucks. Hurry!
See, it's so much practice.
I cut through the first two pillars.
What?
Come here. Hurry. Ricochet it. I cut completely through both those. You're in the camera. I cut completely through the walls. Like, if we just push it, look. I got both. You can push it. Look, okay,
Yo.
No, we don't need it. You just gotta push. You ready? You ready?
We can't push that way. There's a tree.
Yeah, and then it's gonna come back this way.
No, it's not.
We're just gonna just push it like pull it. Let's get a sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer.
Wait, let me drop kick it. Let me drop kick it. You
Drop
ready?
kick it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please be careful. Okay, I'm gonna get sledgehammer now, okay? Stop, Dylan. I'm gonna
Yo,
get
that side came off too.
I'm gonna get the sledgehammer, Dylan.
Hurry! Hurry!
Ow, my balls! Ow!
Let me grab it, let me grab it. You ready?
My jaw!
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Other
get
side
them,
is
get
gone.
Get them.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, look at
Cut the other side of the fall. It's the stupid ladder that's in the way.
What stupid matter? Dude, I am in the danger zone. I'm so scared right now.
Cut the back pillar that you're by.
If it's moving, tell me. Like,
It started to move. Let me hit it with the hammer. me hit it with the hammer and it'll go. Alright?
Holy shit.
Yo, it's that back thing. Grab the sawzall. Hurry.
I can't. It's pinched.
No, we get the rope, attach it to that thing right there, and just yank it. Look, come here.
Touch it to what thing?
Look, come here. This thing is the only thing that's holding it up.
Yo.
So we tie it and just yank it, okay?
Okay. Here, I'm gonna spin it around.
We're not tying it to the dirt bike. We can't tie it anywhere.
Well, what are we tying it to?
Ourselves and running.
We're gonna run?
Yeah. No, here.
No,
No, I have an idea. I have an idea.
give me it, please.
No, look.
Yes. Monkey.
Alright, you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Alright, okay.
Yo, we need to tie it to the dirt bike.
Let me get a good grip, okay?
Ouch! My hands.
You pull it, I'm gonna get the slip in.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit it, okay? And run.
And run?
I'm gonna hit it like right there, okay?
Hold on.
And you gotta pull at the same time I hit it.
Okay.
Two. You ready? Ready?
Yep. Dude, we have to tie it to the dirt bike.
Yo, where's the sledgehammer go?
Oh, over there.
One more blow.
Wait, ready? Trojan horse this bit. Wait.
Let me get this thing higher. Come here, come closer. Oh,
Get that.
okay. Are you ready for this?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, now we just like like rack it back and forth. We're not in sync.
Come on.
Okay, now go this way. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Ah.
Alright, we gotta be in sync, okay?
Ouch. Boom. 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 Boom.
Yo.
Okay, come on.
What?
That's the dirt bike up. Wait.
Okay. You think the four-wheeler's got this?
Yeah, like go over there and then record.
Alright, it's good right here.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, back, the scoop back. Oh! Yo. Yeah.
Okay, boys. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. Just let me in first. Just go. Keep going. Oh, it's going. Just keep go. It's going. Like probably 2 more pulls. Oh, keep going. Hard out. You're about to run into it.
Yo, say it's yanking me.
What are you doing? What are you? Oh, you are not about. Alright, gotta get a good angle for this. Oh my goodness. No, just go forward. No, the battery. Yeah.
It's not even connected to that thing anymore.
Yo.
How you doing? Oh, is it completely through? Wait, I have an idea. Here, record me. Record me. Record me. Come here, record me. Record me. I have an amazing idea.
Okay. What's he doing? Oh my gosh, it's working.
Get the four-wheeler and me doing this.
What?
Drive the four-wheeler while I do this.
Okay.
Coming straight after you.
Okay. Yo! It worked.
Alright, I'm coming at you now.
Let me tie it off in a different. Let me tie it up there. Yeah, so don't. This seat wet.
I wonder. I wonder if I'm gonna get hit.
Alright, so it's gonna be one of these.
Bring it like more up here. Yep. Oh shoot.
Alright, well, there goes the chain.
Yeah.
Alright.
Back it up. Back it up. Sit down. Oh my gosh. Keep going. Go. Go. No, just keep like pulling it. Go forward. Burn out. Here,
Gonna
stop.
come watch this, okay?
Okay.
Now we're gonna try from this angle. Back it up. Back it up.
Beep.
I'm scared it's gonna hurt.
Yeah. Blah 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 blah. Ah! Teeter totter.
I'm not coming.
I'm coming. Look, so that used to be a treehouse right there where he is, and we took it all down. Heck yeah!
Yo, we should make a giant ramp out of it.
Yo, actually,
What's that?
yeah.
We should do it off that foot. Like lay down with the boards on that. Ah!
All right, well, we're using the four-wheeler, tying that, and then we're basically just gonna surf that. Surf's up, dude.
All right. Oh. Huh. Oh, there goes the chain. Alright, thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment.
And subscribe to Y Elixir.
Yeah, do that.
Face reveal is coming in when I hit 5K. Okay.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Alright, bye-bye.